Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video I am gonna share with you Pinafore dresses. Different type of different patterns are shared in this video. Beautiful colors and beautiful patterns are shared of Pinafore dresses. You can wear these dresses if you are attending wedding, and also you can wear as a party wear, office wear, and casual wear, evening wear. Hope so you will enjoy it and like these ideas. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. So friends, if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel once. There I have shared a lots of ideas related to different type of girls fashion. Like different ideas are shared, like how to wear tights, and also I have shared different type of street style, different countries street style fashion, casual wear outfit ideas, and party style dresses, evening dresses, and a lots of ideas related to plus size women's outfit ideas, and also different type of skirts, mini skirts, midi skirts, long flared t-length, and different type of skirts like flared skirts, and plaid outfit ideas, pencil skirts, lace skirts, long maxi style, a-line skirts, and much more ideas are shared. So don't forget to visit once. And if you wanna compile your nails by yourself, I have shared a lots of nail art designs, like easy nail art designs, and that you can copy by yourself and compile your nails at your homes. Hope so you will enjoy it and get much more ideas from my videos. And if you are a plus size woman, I have shared different type of clothing like bodycon dresses, evening party, and much more casual outfit ideas, workwear, and different ages women's fashion are shared. And also I have shared different type of haircuts. Hope so you will enjoy those ideas as well. Today's video is related to Pinafore dresses. Hope so you enjoyed and like today's video. If you like, then hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming new videos. Now take care, bye bye.